sinks. Are you tired of having smelly dishes once your washing up process is done? Oh, are you tired of having the same thing from your dishwasher as well? Hi, Rebecca Sinclair here, and I'm here to introduce you to the wonderful invention we created, the dishwashing machine. It combines washing machine and dishwasher all together, creating this genius name, dishwashing machine. Oh, wow, what does it do? It's simple. You simply put all your clothes in there as you want, and you can put your dishes in there if you want. It's that simple. You can also use one of our trusted capsules we create for the machine. Simply put them in the machine, just like you normally put it in a dishwasher. And then you put the capsule just like you put it in a dishwasher. Then you close up, then you close that lid up, put a padlock on it. Well, you don't have to because it's too stupid. And then you simply set the dial on what setting you want. It's more complicated because you have to use one dial instead. You have to use one dial just to make sure you get to where you want. Simply select the dial of which one settings you prefer and press go. It's that easy. Thumbs up. Once you're done, you're simply good to go. Relax in the living room with your music. Relax in the living room watching Netflix with Stranger Things. All in the comfort of your home whilst your dishwashing machine keeps on rolling. Once it's done, it'll give us that ring. Once it's done, it'll give us that loud ding, just like you hear at the reception area from hotels. Once that happens, you're simply informed that your dishwashing machine is finished. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh, it smells so good. Instead of buying a dishwashing machine and a washing machine, you get 2-in-1 solution. That means you'll never be able to solve your problems with two things. You have it in one machine, all good to go. Or if you're looking for a solution, which means you can actually combine the microwave and an oven at the same time. Forget about putting your food in the microwave. Why not put it in the oven? It's that easy. The dishwashing machine has a lot of positive feedbacks. Here's this one for example. I'm so surprised that some idiot actually made this machine just for money. It beggars belief because it is a low price to be honest, but it is a waste of water. Seriously. I understand that. It's so bad. I can't believe that I had to go through all this kind of things with all this kind of problems out there in the first place. It's not that easy. Order your dishwashing machine today for just $11.99. Call right now, or else we'll come to your house and batter you. With one of these umbrellas from Sports Direct. Limited time offer only.